Hello guys, we have seen program for Armstrong numbers in the earlier video where I was checking whether the user entered number is Armstrong or not. Now I want to implement a program where I will print all the Armstrong numbers within some range, within some particular range, say 1 to 1000. So this program is print all the Armstrong numbers within range 1 to 1000. So how to implement this program? So the logic for checking whether a number is Armstrong or not, that will be same, but now instead of taking the number from the user, I will initialize some variable to 1 and I will vary that variable till 1000, and for each value of that variable I will check whether that number is Armstrong or not. So what I will do, I will take one integer variable, say int I, and for this I variable I will write a for loop where I will vary from 1 to 1000. So it will be I equals to 1, I is less than equals to 1000, and I plus plus. So now what I am supposed to do, in this for loop I will check whether I is an Armstrong number and I will vary from 1 to 1000. That means I am checking each number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 1000. I am checking each number whether that is Armstrong number or not. So what I will do here, I will assign the value of I to the num variable. So num is a variable which I will actually check whether it is Armstrong or not, and before that I am assigning value of I to the num number in each iteration of the for loop. So I will declare the num variable. Now the logic for checking whether that num number is Armstrong or not, that logic will be same. So we have seen that in the earlier video. So if you don't know the logic for how to check whether user entered number is Armstrong or not, you can go back to my previous video and you can understand it. So I will write the same code here while num is greater than 0. I had written 3 statements there: x equals to num mod 10, num equals to num divided by 10, and sum equals to sum plus x into x into x. So this is the code that I had written in the earlier video, and after that I will check that sum variable with the original value. So here some if condition is there. So let me first declare all the variables which I am using. So I have to declare the x variable. I will declare the sum variable. Sum is initially 0, and I will check here if the sum equals to the original value. So if I write if sum equals to num, then that won't be correct, because num is getting reduced here. Num is not the original value. Num is getting reduced to 0 during the execution of this while loop. So what I need to do, I need to take a backup of num variable in some other variable. So one more variable I will declare, say mem is a variable, and in that mem variable I will store the num value, and when I check inside the if condition, I will check sum with the mem variable. Now let me declare the mem variable. Now if that sum equals to mem, if the sum of cube of each digit equals to the original value, then that is the Armstrong number. So here I will print something. So I am not supposed to print a message whether that is the Armstrong number or not, but I am supposed to print that number itself. So what I will do, I will print the actual number, which is num. Now instead of num it will be either mem or I, whatever. So I will print that. So now let me run the code whether it is giving the output. It is printing 1. It is not printing all the numbers. It is printing only first Armstrong number, which is 1. So something is wrong here. What is the wrong thing? The wrong thing is, like here I have initialized the sum variable to 0 at the beginning, but what I am supposed to do, like that sum value should reset to 0 for each number. That means I am supposed to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 1000 individual number whether it is Armstrong or not. So when I move from previous number to the next number, say from 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, sum should be reset to 0, so that for new number again new sum of cube of each digit will be calculated. So sum will be sum equals to 0. That statement will be here. And now let me check whether it is giving output. So yes, now it is printing the numbers. Which are the Armstrong numbers it is printing? It is printing 1, 153, 370, 371, 407. So yes, this is the program. So I know that 1 and 153 are Armstrong numbers, but for other numbers 370, 371, 407, I need to check whether they are Armstrong or not. But actually they are Armstrong numbers since it has printed them. So you can cross check and you can confirm in the comment section whether these three numbers are Armstrong or not. So thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe.